there, I'm Marilee Morrow, one of the professors here in the Department of Communication. Thank you so much for paying attention to what we're doing with this year's Day of Giving campaign. We really appreciate your time. Behind me, you'll notice the outcome of the last 2 Day of Giving campaigns. This amazing, updated WCMO TV news set. It is gorgeous. The students love it. It's given them an environment to be proud of. Things look professional. It's amazing. We've had other terrific, awesome outcomes from the previous 2 Day of Giving campaigns. But this one has a lot of impact because there's a downside. What's the downside to this? Well, our other 2 sets in the TV studio, the talk set and the sports set, look like just what they are. Outdated, beat up, kind of dumpy. So our goal with this year's Day of Giving campaign is to finish the updates to our TV studio. We have an anonymous donor who has agreed to match dollar for dollar up to $14,000. Now, $14,000 would update one of the sets. If you help us reach our goal, we can get the other $14,000 and update both sets and be done with the WCMO TV studio updates. So we hope you'll consider giving us your support. Every little bit counts, and we'll be done with the studio. The students will have a facility they can be proud of. And one last thing, if you come back for homecoming, we'll cut up a couple of these old flats and you can take a piece and keep it to help you remember all the fun times you had here at Marietta College and doing student media. Thank you again for taking the time to pay attention to us during this Day of Giving campaign. We sincerely hope that we have your support to help us achieve our goal this year.